I will show you how to create an adjacency matrix from an edge list. Here you see our edge list. These are the source and these are the target nodes. We need to convert them into an adjacency matrix. So the first thing that I need to have is a list of all the nodes that I have. As you see over here, all of them are in multiple numbers. Like I have so many Bastia, I have so many Bordeaux. I need a list with all the city names. First of all, in order to do that, I can use the pivot table. By the way, as you see, I'm using LibreOffice. I will select create, OK, and all I need to do is to take the source over to row fields, and this is going to nodes or the full list of cities that I have. So here in this page I will create my adjacency matrix. Now I'm getting rid of the borders here, and I copy this and flight from Ancon to Bastia. I want a 1 over here. If there isn't, then there will be a 0. So in order to do that, I want to be able to do this with a lookup, VLOOKUP command. So, but since I have two keys that I want to look up with, that is Ancon and Bastia together, I have to first come over here and create a name for the edge by using these commands, these text commands. As you see, let's try it on here. It is this one here. This is going to be the source dash this one here, and my array is over here, the whole list in here. So this one here says that there is no, but it is giving me an error. So what I want, if there is an error, this function gives me a true. So what I want is, in that case, if this is true, then write 0, else write 1. So in this case, if it is if there is an error, that means that there are no flights from Ancon to Bastia, and that's going to be giving me a 0. I copy paste all this into other cells. It's not going to create a problem here. So what I want is that I want A to stay the same in here. So I will put it I'll put a $sign here, and when it comes to the rows, I want 1 out of the C1. I want 1 to be staying the same, and all this array will have to stay the same. So after doing that, when I copy it, for example like this, it is not going to ruin my formula. It looks like that I have a problem here because I don't see any 1s. So I need to find out what's the reason for that. Do I need a 1? It's from Ancon to Bordeaux, for example. Ancon to Bordeaux has to give me a 1. It could be this index. Yeah, that is the index. So I made a mistake by putting 0 into the index number. That is giving me the, well, you have to look at the VLOOKUP command. If you look at the help file for the VLOOKUP command, you will be able to see how it works. So this one is giving me, this is the key that I want to search. This is the search array. This is the search array. And this says that this is, I'm looking for the first column in the search array for this an adjacency matrix.